Hi everyone! In this video, let's review the most important features and updates of RPA Express 2.2. Let's begin. When you launch RPA Express, Studio and OCR are now started by default, and you don't need to start them manually. Such Excel actions as get cell value, get range, get row, and get column can now extract values from cells calculated using formulas. For example, let's calculate the sum of cell A1 and A2 in cell A3 and get the value of this cell. As you can see, the value was extracted. Users can now set cell values to Excel file in number format. Besides, when getting a number value from an Excel file, it is taken in the same format as in the file, without any extra characters. Starting from version 2.2, users can use two types of selectors. Besides object selectors that were used in previous versions, CSS selectors are now supported too. You can change the selector type in the bottom right corner of Inspector. Inspector now shows the total number of elements matching a particular selector. Users can switch back and forth between elements and choose the required element and get its unique selector. If the selector is unique, it will be displayed as 1 of 1. This feature is especially useful when creating loops, when you can iterate through elements with the same selector using indexes. Another improvement is that if you don't have enough rights to inspect the application, Inspector will show you an appropriate message. These were the main updates in RPA Express 2.2. You can find more details in WorkFusion knowledge base. Check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, see you next time.